Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the possible implications that would sort of transpire for those holding a business visa in Thailand. So presumably a work permit and a business visa in Thailand. And what would happen to those folks should the emergency decree promulgated March 26, 2020 be rescinded? Now, this emergency decree came into effect in the government's response to the pandemic, and it basically created a situation where, there's a number of new requirements associated with Thai immigration. Most notably, those looking to travel into Thailand currently need to go ahead and get a certificate of entry to come into Thailand. That includes business visa holders. It's also notable, I think this is very noteworthy for those with business visas, those holding work permits were the only group to initially be approved to come into Thailand when they first just even slightly reopened for people to return. So at the beginning it was Thai nationals, permanent residents, and folks that had a work permit. That was it. And even folks that were connected to Thailand by marriage or children, no, they were not initially allowed. So that's something to bear in mind. Kind of keep that in the back of your head with respect to a business visa and a work permit. It's one more reason why, in my opinion, it is, I hesitate to use superior, but it can be a more beneficial travel document, I think, moving forward compared to other types of travel documents. So what would happen were the emergency decree to go away? Well, two things have come about as a result of the emergency decree. One is COVID insurance, which is a requirement for those, even on business visas, to get into Thailand. The other issue is certificate of entry. And these are both products of the emergency decree. So should they end, presumably we would not need either of those things to process through a business visa, and things would snap back, if you will, to the way that they were in Q1 of 2020. So business visa holder, you can get on a plane, you can come to Thailand. No need for a certificate of entry. Presumably no need for COVID insurance. Now, regulations could be promulgated in the meantime between now and sort of the end of the end of the presumptive end of the emergency decree that could change things. So we don't know exactly how this would play out, but as it sits right now, that's the way I see it. It would just snap back to what it was in Q1 of 2020. That stated, we'll keep people updated on this channel as the situation evolves.